All right, so the next thing I want to do is this person has kind of squinty eyes. We're kind of reimagining them completely. Let's go in and change the size of the eyes. To do that, we're going to be using the Liquify tool. Now, the Liquify tool is only going to affect whichever layer you have selected. So we want to make sure that we're on the layer that has the eyes. And that's very scary, sorry guys, this right here. Now, the Liquify tool is destructive. So I want to make a copy of this just to make sure that if I decide later on I don't want those larger eyes, I can always come back and fix that. So I'm going to have that selected, hit Command J, call this big eyes. All right, and then I'm going to turn this layer off, and I could even just throw it underneath this layer here just to be safe. All right. Now let's go in and actually change the size of the eyes. And we're going to do that by going into Filter, Liquify. All right, so this is going to kind of show us the image that we're working on, minus all the masks and stuff like that. Now I could change the size of the eyes using this face, and this might be a little bit different for you, and then just increasing the eye size. Now this is kind of the bounds are set within a normal section, but we're creating a creature here, so we want our creature to be gigantic. So let's use the Bloat Tool. We're going to kind of get it right around where the eye is and kind of have it set right there. I'm going to even go a little bit bigger. Once again, you can use these the bracket keys to make things larger. And let's just really increase the size of the eye so that it's really kind of creepy. Same thing over here. All right, that looks great. If I ever want to kind of pull back a little bit, I can use the reconstruct and just shrink it down, but I want the full-on creepiness. Okay, let's hit OK here. All right, so this is adding some creepiness. Unfortunately, that's also kind of changed how our brow fix is. So that's the great thing. We can always go in, click on Brow Fix. I'm going to just use my eraser. And I'll just erase the previous fix. And very scary guy. Just do what I did before. So I'm going to go back to using my healing brush tool. Select the head again with my Option key. And then same thing as I did before. Right there. And right there. All right. Kind of lovable and also kind of creepy. Let's go even darker in the next section by changing the way that these eyes look entirely.